Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. So actually for this video today, I'm going to be unboxing this. If you can believe it, there is a sectional in here. So this came from Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon. It literally came, I think, in 2 days. And yeah, it came really quickly. It's under $300. And this is not a sponsored sofa. I actually bought this. The reason why I bought this, it's too small for my space here, as you'll see, but we actually special ordered a couch that's going to take about 2 months to get here, so we needed something to kind of hold us over till our sofa we ordered, a special order, comes in. So I thought I would do an unboxing and show you this whole thing, the whole setup, in case you're looking for a sectional. This is considered I think it's called an apartment couch. Again, you're going to see it's pretty small, but I think that it would be fun to show you guys. This sofa is called Casa, Andrea, Milano, and it is in the color gray. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. I'm excited to see what it is. I hope it's comfy because I'm going to have to be sitting in it for 2 months while I wait for my sofa to come in. All right, so opening up the box, the first thing is the assembly instructions. So it tells us how to put it together. There's 8 legs. There's, okay, so then I did notice right away this, well, that's normal. It has a little, I thought that was a tear, but that's just where the leg connects, so that's okay. And then it is microfiber. Yes, it definitely is microfiber. Here's a picture, but here's one of the cushions, so you'll see the stitching. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And I like the color it is. It's a nice soft gray. Also, it doesn't come with any throw pillows that I know of, so it's just going to be, that'd be something I have to add extra. But yeah, here's some more. Oh, okay. So here we have the main sofa right here. So I'm going to need some help to get this out. All right, so what we ended up doing is taking instead of trying to lift it up out of the box, we just basically opened up the box this way. So this way we can move around and get the box out easier, or excuse me, the sofa. Now I have to say, this is not a big sofa. This is about 5 feet long, roughly. I don't know the exact measurements, but it does look like it has some pretty sturdy construction, nice, microfiber. There we have that. And again, this is going to be the ottoman piece. This piece here should be the ottoman, and it'll expand once I start putting it together. But as far as the thicknesses of the cushion, let me see if I can give you a better idea. Here's one of the cushions right here, or one of the seats. Okay, so as we started to take the cushions out, I want to show you, we noticed this. This is actually a headrest. So it actually flips up like this, right? And so that's part of the back of the sofa. They did that, we're thinking, so that they wouldn't have to ship this separately. So you see how convenient that is? Save space, and yeah, so it just folds up. It just fits perfectly like a puzzle piece, but there you go. Nice, solid headrest. Okay, so I had a bit of a panic moment a second ago because these pillows, I was like, wait a minute, where are the cushions for, because this goes on the back where you're, lean against. And then we realized they're in here. So for shipping purposes, they actually, everything's hiding in there, you guys. Look at that. Everything, literally, there's the more cushions and more pillows. So all in there. Isn't that pretty clever how they did that? The packaging, check it out. I love it. So, and you can see the construction. Okay. There we go. So there's the inside of the couch. But yeah, these are like hidden, like little treasures. So now we were looking for the third cushion, right? And so we thought, well, let's just check in here. Look at you guys. Look at this. There's the other one, the other cushion. So there it is. Just want to show you, they're hiding in all these little, it's literally like a treasure hunt right now, trying to find all the cushions in these in this sofa. Okay, so I sealed it back up, right? And then I was like, wait, where are the legs at? So I opened it back up, and the legs were literally over here, tucked in here. So again, literally like a treasure hunt, but there they are. There's the legs for the sofa. So I'm so glad. I was a little bit worried there, but there's the legs. So let's start putting this sofa together. Looks like we have all the pieces here to the puzzle. You put the feet on, you actually first, so here's the spot to attach the feet. You first have to attach the arms. So this is the side of the sofa. This is, one piece right here. So there are screws on the inside. You have to line them up. And then so there's 1, 2, and then you put the feet on. And then of course you repeat it on the other side. And then of course you would put the Velcro back up, and then it would be all put together. So here we're opening up the feet here. So yeah, we already started putting them on the sofa here. They're maybe 6 inches tall, about that roughly. So yeah, that's what they look like. The feet are on the ottoman part, and I want to show you, this has Velcro right here. These 2 strips right here are Velcro, and this is the cushion that's going to sit on top of this and make it a chase part of the sectional. So here I want to show you it before we start putting the cushions on it, put the ottoman together. I just want to show you how it looks. So yeah, here's a little closer view. And there's the base of it. Again, this flips down. This one, popped up for the headrest. But yeah, very, very nice. Also, I want to point out, you need to take these off. This is protecting the Velcro, and then that will attach these cushions, because the cushions, have the Velcro. It'll stick to the Velcro right here. So basically, same thing right here. This will come off, and then it'll stick your cushion to the sofa. All right, so we haven't put the backs on yet, obviously, but I wanted to point that you can either do a left or right chase, because all you do is you just switch the cushions around, because this bottom piece can go over there if you want it to. Yeah, so that's nice that you can do left or right chase. Here's this little closer view. But yeah, the cushions seem nice. Nice and sturdy. The cushions also have a handy dandy Velcro piece that you have to take off in order to, have it attach and stay secure against the back. So look at that. So you can kind of see it's got a grip there. Here it is. It's all put together. I am really happy with how it turned out. Let me go in a little closer and fix this little thing there. But yeah, it is really nice, pretty cushiony. I like the color. I think it might come in one other color. And again, for under $300, I mean, that's a really good deal. And like, here's a side view profile. Again, you can switch it to left or right chase. So if you whatever side you'd like to have it on, it will work either way. And then also there's a little closer view of the stitching on these cushions here. A little closer view there, and then also on the arms here, they also have that same type of stitching detail. And then I'm going to go and show you the closer view of the legs. And easy to get under there and vacuum, you know what I mean? So yeah, like I said, this is a really nice sofa for apartment, condos, like a huge bedroom, a playroom, a den, anything like that. I think these are great. Like I said, we're waiting for our big sofa to come in. We actually have an ottoman we're going to put over there to provide more room for our big family, but this will get us by until we get our final sofa in. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, this is an incredible deal, actually a pretty incredible deal. Now what I'll do is I will put all the information to Amazon, the link to this, in my description box, so if you'd like to check it out and order one yourself, it'll be all in the description box. And yeah, so again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this put together sofa unboxing, hauling, unboxing, put together sofa video. I really appreciate you being here. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, I would surely love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, a huge thank you so much for being here and for always being here. So with that being said, I will close this video. I need to throw all this stuff away, and I will see you guys very soon with my next walkthrough or haul. Yeah, can't wait. See you guys soon. Take care, and God bless you always. All right, friends. See you soon. Bye for now.